Hello guys, for another video. I don't planning to shoot this video today, but recently I received a massive messages from you guys on my Facebook profile about that Redbubble was back suspended account again. So, and when I scroll some Facebook groups, I find that a lot of people have the same situation. So I just created a new Redbubble account last week, and until now my account was safe. And I contacted the Redbubble support and I have no response yet. Maybe because a lot of people contact them in this period. So, and I talk with a few friends from my Facebook group, and I figure out some of the reasons why Redbubble start closing accounts in this period. And you can enjoy my Facebook group, the link in the description below. First, the majority of suspended accounts are from Asia and Africa, and Redbubble want to filter countries that have bad reputation from their artists, because a lot of artists from these countries, they make legal ways to get sales, and that can affect other artists that work legal and respect the rules from the same country. So if you just create an account on Redbubble, don't start uploading designs immediately. Wait for 3 days and upload just one, and you can upload the second one later. Do this at least 1 week, and if your account was suspended, contact the support and I will show you how you can do that. And if you want to create a new account, you must change the browser and do what I said before. And for the tags, don't use more than 7 tags if your account was new. That's right, 7 tags is the maximum tags in this period, because the robot suspend any account upload designs have more than 40 tags. And I think this is one of the reasons that Redbubble suspended new accounts. And if you have an old Redbubble account, don't upload more than 20 designs today. Last week I uploaded 40 designs in 1 day in my second account, and until now my account was safe, and I expect my account was may suspended anytime from now. Also, a lot of people use VPN, and of course when the robot detects that you use VPN, they suspend your account immediately, because the robot classify your account as a spam even you don't intend to use this VPN on Redbubble. Always turn off your VPN when you want to open your Redbubble account or any account similar like TeePublic or Merch by Amazon, etc. Now, how you can recover your account from suspend? The first way, you must contact them on email. So open Redbubble contact, click at the first link. So click at here, and click at submit request. Now choose this option. I am an artist and I have a question. After, click at inactive account, and here you must enter your Redbubble email and your information, and I will leave 2 messages in the description below. The first one, if Redbubble shut down your account for no reason, and the second one, if you make a mistake like copyright and trademark, and I already talked about this in a video in the past. These 2 messages work well with me when Redbubble suspend my account in the past, and also a lot of people benefit from these 2 messages, or you can write your own. This is your choice. And also open twitter.com and search for Redbubble. After, click at this Redbubble help. So here you can send them a message, and I think they not longer offer support on their Facebook page, so just contact them on email and Twitter. Also open Instagram and search for Redbubble. and send them a message too. You must try your best if you want to recover your account, and I recommend to do this every day, because you are not the only person that Redbubble suspend their account. There is thousands of people like you, so you must contact them every day, and I wish you good luck. So guys, this is the end of this video. If you benefit from it, don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.